In this video, we'll show you how to use the search feature to easily access a particular document from a huge list of documents using the Compleo IRP Manager interface. The typical interface of all tabs show you a search toolbar. This toolbar allows you to search for a document using the filters. Let us consider a few scenarios to make it simpler. Consider that you want to search for a document that was processed sometime between March 20th to April 3rd, but you're not sure about the exact date. Then all you have to do is select Between from this drop-down list, and with the help of Calendar, select the time frame. And now click Apply Filters. All the documents processed during your selected time frame are now visible on the screen. In another instance, if you wish to search a document by its file name, then simply type the name of the file in the search box and apply the filter to see the results. In the same way, you can search documents by inserting the IRN number, document ID, and other details. Not just that, but you can optimize your search by applying more than one filter. Let's see how it works. Consider that you wish to search for a debit note that was generated today. Just select Debit Note from the drop-down list, and from the Created On drop-down, select Today and apply filters. You can now see all the debit notes that were generated today. In this case, no debit notes were produced today, and hence the search shows no results. We hope that this video helped you in understanding the filtered search feature. Thank you.